Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about AutoCAD 3D aligns command. Basically aligns command two solid body we will connect in a particular edge face according to our selection. This is called aligns here. Aligns, it means two different solid component we will connect in both of each other, so that means called aligns 3D aligns. So let's go start how to work in AutoCAD 3D align. So first of all, when I go to create rectangle, this is rectangle here. When I click the rectangle right now, when start from rectangle, this one, and I will go to copy right now in same diagram. So when control here, the copy in same diagram, right, and also I will go to same diagram. So then move to here, press pull command. Then I am going to select here and extrude right now. Then also pull and press, then also pull and press. So this is 3 rectangle here. When I go to convert, then I want to align this diagram here. This one is aligns 3D aligns. When I go to enter 3D aligns, this is 3D aligns. When I go to select and right click this point and this point, and also select this point, and I have go to align the particular point, and I have go to select this particular aligns, and according to selection here, this is the point also. When I go to click, and this one is down direction, I have go to another one is, if I want to go to the point here, look at this one is aligns from this diagram. When same thing, if I select this is the 3D aligns. When I enter the 3D aligns, this component, and right click, then select this point and also select this point, and also go to select this point, and I have start from point here and click this point, and also go to here this corner point. So it is very easy to align in 3 body right now. They are very easy to align this diagram. Then also again show you how to align here. First of all, when I go to create particular diagram right now, and you can do whatever rectangle here, they are not required in only same size. If I select the bigger and smaller, this is only for a work of working in 3D aligns diagram. So how to use 3D align. So basically I have go to create in rectangle, then after go to extrude. Right now this one is extrude and this one is press pull, because I have not mentioned this dimension, so I am going to use the press pull. The press pull, when just click this area and also go to extrude here. Same thing is also used for press pull, so click this rectangle here and go to extrude. Right now same thing, this is again rectangle, right, and also go to use in rectangle in some distance. I will go to extend right now. So there is very easy to is a press pull command using in AutoCAD 3D. Then how to go to align. So when I will go to select this component, this one is align command. When I enter the align command, then I click and also click right and select this point and also click this point and again this point. Then which area I have go to select, so this point also and this point also, then this point is also go to here, but when I click this point, so this is here shift in merge command. Same thing I want to go to merge this body. So when I will go to here, apply the merge command. This is merge command, select and just to select in body, then also click right click, then click the point here and also click the point here, then also click the point. Then which place I will switch, we will decide here. This is deciding right now, and then also click the point. So when according to suitable I have go to click, they are not the particular click this other one other thing. This is not according to selection and according to match our diagram. I want fitting this position, so I will click this one and this one and this one. So this is easily fitting. They are depend what type of fitting our second component. They are deciding for the connect in particular point also in merge command. So merge command is very easy for working in AutoCAD 3D, just like only for deciding, just like I go to extrude here. Okay, then I will go to and this is here. When I want to merge this body, so first of all I will go to merge here, then select body, then right click and select this point also, then also go to this point and also go to this point. Then I have go to decide key how our body has select and click this point, right. So they will be first deciding here, then after I will here, then I want which type of selection I want here, then I will go to right now. They are looking first of all position here, which type of position I want get. So also I will click this point, it is for suitable for diagram. So it is merged from very easy in AutoCAD. So today has completed the session, and thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe our channel.